You want to create amazing videos, but to do that, you need to hire and collaborate with talented individuals who can effectively do the work you need done. So you have an exciting new video project, but where do you go to find the talent you need for your team? Chances are you post your project on classified listings, social networking, and freelancing websites and just hope for the best. Unfortunately, there are a lot of problems with using these various kinds of websites for video-related projects. Boo! Classified websites like Craigslist are too noisy, and they lack the important features to manage your projects. Social media websites like Facebook and Twitter are too hit and miss because you're dealing with personal and distant connections. So these individuals either can't directly do the work or they can't offer introductions to the perfect talent you need. And freelancing websites are mainly focused on technology, graphics design, and marketing projects. There is a solution, and it's SpidVid.com. Using SpidVid, it's now possible to easily discover your dream team of individuals who want to work on video projects, have the skill sets you need, and have the valuable experience to make your project a success. Here's how it works. Meet Jack. Jack has hours and hours of raw video footage for his documentary. He needs an editor who's professional and can help take his footage and make a film out of it. He also needs a composer to create the music for his project. And while he can compensate a video editor and composer for doing this work, he wants to know with confidence that he has the opportunity to pay them only when they perform their duties and value is received. Thankfully, Jack discovered SpidVid, and the website looked like a fantastic fit. So he got an account and posted his documentary project. Because SpidVid was specifically built for video projects, Jack immediately received bids on his project from professionals with the expertise he needed. He was able to attract the right individuals for his team, collaborate with them, and pay safely and securely for the services that Carla in Los Angeles and David in London provided. By tapping into a wide human network of like-minded individuals with diverse skill sets and having access to features to easily manage his video project, Jack found that SpidVid fit in perfectly with his current workflow and led to the successful completion of his important film production. So if you need to recruit and hire talent, or you want to work on video projects, then get your free account now at SpidVid.com and get started.